Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get your Wix website on Google. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and then here, the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your Wix sites. So right now, for example, in order to edit a site, I'm going to hover my mouse over it, click on select and edit site, and then just wait for your dashboard to load. And then this is how your dashboard gonna look like. So here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find setup, home, getting paid, and so on. And then here in the bottom, you're gonna find the option to edit your site. So right now, I'm going to click on edit site, and then this will take you to this other tab. So basically, guys, just wait for the page to load. Once the page has loaded, you're gonna be here in the Wix editor. So basically, guys, right here, you're gonna find all of the tools that you would need in order to edit or customize your site. For example, if you click on add element, right here, you can add any element that you want. For example, text, you can add an image, button, strip, and so on. And then, as you can see, guys, here, you're gonna find some other tools. You can also add your section. Here you can edit pages and menu, site design. You can add apps, my business, media, CMS, and lastly, marketing and SEO. So basically, guys, once you finish customizing your site, here in the top right, you're going to find the option to save your site. Here you're going to find preview. And lastly, here, you're going to find the option to publish your site. So if you click on this option, you can go live with your latest changes. So right now, before you publish your site, you can preview it if you want. And then once you're sure about going live, click on publish and then just wait for this option to load. And as you can see, guys, right now the site is published and live online. You can click on view site and then this will take you to your site. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.